smell the nuts, eh? We smell everything here. The smells were great, and my eyes feasted on the dried fruits, berries, figs, and pastries. I couldn't pass them up. Now I need to find tahini. I think Uri is going to make some hummus, since tahini is the key ingredient. All right.
Hey, shalom.
Shalom.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Okay, this is tahina. Do you know what tahina
Is sesame seeds, right?
is? Exactly. This is actually a sesame grinder.
Right.
Those are two stones, 117 years old stone.
Right. Yeah.
Super healthy also.
It is, huh?
Has a lot of calcium and iron.
I'm in the right place because I need to buy some tahina sauce
Okay.
for a restaurant. This market is great. Lots of fresh ingredients and lots of sampling. Right up my alley. Ooh, yeah, baby. That is awesome. All right. Thank you very much. I did so much sample tasting that I did not need to eat lunch. Let's just say that the vendors invited me to taste their product and I didn't want to be rude. So I had a taste of everything they offered me. Now that's how to really get to know a market.
Sesame seed with coffee beans inside.
Wow. All right. Olives. I need olives. Tassos or calamata? Yeah? Okay, 1 and 1. Yeah, 1 and 1. Tassos and calamata. Can I taste one of these? Yeah. How much is it? 45. 45. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Ciao. I saw some great lamb that I wanted to pick up. But let's just say that I had a little bit of a language barrier that I had to overcome. Lamb. Kevis? Capra. Agnello. Kevis. That? A kilo. Half a kilo, 1 pound. Grind that up. Grind it. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay. Hope I get it right. How much?
כמה כסף? 10 פעמים 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. זה מספיק. רק זה.
That's good?
That's very good. Thank you very much.
That's very good.
Have a lovely day.
Now he speaks English?